Good news for Samsung lovers. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra might get a new telephoto camera sensor. The Galaxy S20 Ultra was Samsung's first smartphone with a long-range zoom camera. It featured a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 4x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, which we know by the name of Space Zoom. Later that year, the company dropped the telephoto camera resolution to 12 megapixels with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but increased the optical zoom to 5x with the S21 Ultra. It settled for two 10 megapixels with 3x and 10x zoom. Next year, the company is making the biggest change to zoom cameras over the past 3 years, according to a report from Galaxy Club. The S24 Ultra will reportedly feature more zoom level for one of its telephoto cameras. After using a set of two 10-megapixel telephoto cameras, 3 and 10x for 3 years, Samsung will finally replace the 3x with a 5x telephoto camera on the S24 Ultra. While there have been reports of Samsung trying to implement a continuous zoom lens on its future phones, it looks like the company will stick to a combination of two telephoto cameras for the upcoming device. The device may make more use of the high resolution of the main camera for lower zoom factors. We do not yet know what the fate of the 10x camera is. Chances are it will remain unchanged. We cannot confirm or deny rumors about a camera with variable focus at the moment either. No further details about the resolution of the telephoto cameras have been revealed so far. Since the launch of the S24 lineup is expected to happen in early 2024, we expect to see more information about its cameras by the end of this year. So far, it has been reported that the device will stick to a 200-megapixel sensor for its main camera. The company will also bring more RAM and storage to base variants. Unlike this year, Samsung could bring back Exynos chips with the vanilla S24 models. The Exynos 2400 with an upgraded AMD GPU with 4x more performance is reportedly in the works. It could also be the first smartphone series from Samsung to run Android 14 out of the box. Further, verifiable details of the lineup remain scarce at the moment. We ourselves assume that Samsung will stick to the 200-megapixel main camera for a few more generations. The device will also have an S Pen stylus again, and with a bit of luck about the next Snapdragon processor generation. So, what are your thoughts about this new telephoto sensor? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Galaxy news, you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.